We're continuing weather vocab from Unit 2. Last video, I stopped with the sign called quiet. Today, we're picking up with directional signals, north, south, east, west. Imagine a compass on a map, and you're just going to take the letter of each of the words and move them in the direction that the compass would be on a map. So for example, north is always up, so you take your N hand and pull it in an upward direction. Same thing, south, east, and west. Okay, the next one, the sign for sky. Sorry, on the back page, last one we're going to do in class, or last one we did in class, to be clear. And you can use that sign to talk about weather. The sky was very clear, or you can talk about it, use clear in a different scenario. Her signs are very clear, easy to read, or easy to understand. Okay, so you can use that word for both options.